Hey, do you know Marin? His hut is right here.
Nobody has lived there for a long time, and it's sad. My cart's wheel broke and the sacks of grain were torn. I've been standing here all day and there was no one to help me.
Oh, well, that doesn't sound irreparable. I'll help you. Everything will be all right. Just tell me one more thing. Where is the Academy of Magicians? Do you know?
I know. The passage to the academy is through that dolmen over there. But it doesn't work. I don't know why. Oh, you won't leave now, won't you?
Well, of course not. I promise to help you.